In an accounting system, financial information isn't all recorded in one place. Transactions are stored in different books or records, depending on their type and purpose. We call these transaction locations. Let's look at the main ones you'll encounter. Books of prime entry. These are the first records in which a transaction is written down, the starting point of the bookkeeping process. Examples include Sales Daybook for credit sales, Sales Returns Daybook, records goods returned by customers, also called returns inwards. Purchases Daybook for credit purchases, Purchases Returns Daybook, records goods returned to suppliers, also called returns outwards. And Cash Book for cash receipts and payments. Here we have an example of a sales day book, which records all goods and services sold on credit to our customers. Each line shows a separate sale during the month. For example, on the 4th of January, the business sold goods to Bright Home Interiors for £850 net, plus £170 value-added tax, making a total of £1,020. Now, let's look at the Purchases Daybook, which records everything the business bought on credit from its suppliers. On the 3rd of January, for instance, the company purchased office supplies from Office Pro Supplies for £620, net plus £124 value-added tax, giving a total of £744. Here's a summary overview of the main books of prime entry used in bookkeeping. The Sales Day Book records all credit sales made to customers. The Purchases Day Book records all credit purchases made from suppliers. The Sales Returns Daybook records goods returned by customers. The Purchases Returns Daybook records goods returned to suppliers. And finally, the Cash Book records all receipts and payments made by the business. This includes both cash and bank transactions.